PTE answer short question is the fifth and the last task of the speaking section, and it is the simplest question that you can get on the test. It is more like a general knowledge question answer session, but it still adds to your PTE score. So why not prepare it with your own PTE expert at Edutrainex and understand what is expected of you and how to attempt it. So continue watching and keep learning. Overview. In the answer short question task, you will hear a question and you need to provide an answer in a single or few words, but never as a sentence. As simple as that. You may also see an image along with the audio. The audio prompt will be between 3 to 9 seconds long, and there will be around 5 to 6 questions in the test. You will not get any time to prepare, and straight away the recording begins and you only get 10 seconds to record your response. Also bear in mind, the audio begins to play automatically, and once the audio finishes, the microphone opens and the status will change to recording. So speak into the microphone immediately when the status changes to recording. There is no beep or no short tone sound in this task to alert you. Your ability to understand a question and how you answer it accurately and briefly are judged by this task. This task assesses your listening and speaking skills, and it also contributes to your vocabulary score. The scoring is pretty simple. It's either correct or incorrect. No partial credits are awarded and there is no negative marking. One point to note here is that you don't get any extra marks for additional words, so try to be precise in your answers. Now let me show you how this task looks in the actual test, which is quite similar to the repeat sentence task. So this is how you see the answer short question task in the test. On the top, you see the task prompt, which tells you what exactly you need to do. And below that, you see the audio player, which begins to play almost immediately. And just below that, you also see the audio recorder, which initially shows a countdown timer. And when the recording begins, the timer starts from 0, and it also shows you a progress bar. Once you are done recording your response, you click Next to move to the next question. Well, now you know all the details about the answer short question task. As you will see, this is a very straightforward task. Now let me give you some important tips and tricks that will help you to get a full score in this task. Tips and tricks. The main tip for this task is to understand which type of answer is the question expecting. It could be a noun, verb, adjective, and so on. So if you identify the correct word type that needs to be answered, you can narrow your thoughts quickly to give a more precise answer. For example, look at the following below. Noun. What is the object that you sit on in an office? That could be a question in the exam. And the answers could be a chair, sofa, a bench. You see, all the nouns. Next, verbs. The question could be like, in the following sentence, which word refers to the future? Tom will go to the office. So the answer is will. Next, adjectives. The question could be, a science teacher could best be described as what? Analytical, lazy, or charming? And the answer will be analytical. So these are some of the types of questions that you can expect in the exam. Tip number 2. Guess if you are not sure. As there is no negative marking, there is no harm in guessing. So give your best shot if you are unsure of the answer. Tip number 3. Don't give a long answer. Be brief in providing your responses. PTE expects you to answer the question in one or a few words, but never as a sentence. Let's now look at what mistakes you need to avoid while attempting these questions. Mistake number 1. Pausing for 3 or more seconds. Trying to think of an answer for too long will result in the microphone to be cut off and no further response will be recorded. So keep that in mind. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the task. Many people think that this task is trivial and don't prepare for this task. Remember, tiny drops of water make the ocean. So why ignore this task when it can still contribute to your overall score? Mistake number 3. Not preparing well. Ideally, at the very least, every student should go through a list of 200 to 300 popular questions asked in PTE. You can also find some of the answer short questions on our blog as well. Your next step will be to practice this task, and this is how you practice the task on the Edutrainex PTE learning platform. You click on Start, you play the question, and you click on Record to record your response.
If you are hosing something, would you be using water, flour, or detergent?
Water. As you submit your response, you get an evaluation immediately by the Edutrainex algorithm. Excellent. So this was the last speaking task that we have just completed. Go ahead and watch our other videos on different PTE tasks. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a bright future.